Okay guys, I'm so happy today because I got these. This is the winning ticket for the Travis Scott Air Force One. And now I'm going to Greenbelt to get my pair. So let's go! As I mentioned, I just won the raffle for the Travis Scott from Commonwealth. So Commonwealth, thank you. Good job for doing this type of raffle. So guys, I just parked and I'm on my way now to Greenbelt 5 to collect my Travis Scott Air Force Ones. To collect my Travis Scott Air Force One. So there's a small queue, but yeah, I can see the Travis Scotts over there. Should I fit? Pwede na dito. Got my pair of Travis Scott, so I'll show you the box. The box is like this, so it's actually a very interesting box. You see this Travis Scott over there, and then the smiley face, and on this side you have this Russian characters. So yeah, here's the Travis Scott Air Force One. Okay guys, I'm here now do an unboxing of my latest pickup, which is the Travis Scott Air Force One. So earlier I showed you that I just won a raffle, and I'm very happy and excited because this is actually the first time I won a raffle for sneakers, and I must admit this is the first time I was able to buy a hype sneakers on retail. Yes guys, unfortunately I wasn't blessed enough to buy the sneakers on retail. Most of the hype sneakers I have were actually bought on resale or from StockX normally. So yeah, that's why I'm very happy that I was able to get this special pair, because I know that this sneakers is really nice, and I know that and the price of these sneakers will really jump so high. Anyway, let's open what I have inside. So here it is. This is the box where the Travis Scott Air Force One is. So this is not your typical Nike box. I mean, the color itself, haven't seen any Nike box in this color. This is like a light yellow color, and then the Nike swoosh or the Nike branding is in blue. Sorry, my coffee just came. So anyway, going back to the box, the Nike branding or the Nike logo is in blue, and then the box has a lot of details, like for example this one. So I was wondering, what is this? Is this Travis Scott? Is this Cactus Jack? Let's figure it out. So but this is definitely Cactus Jack, because I can see the jack over here, but probably it has other meaning. So if you know the meaning of this, you better let me know. Hit up the comment section down below. So I think it's either Travis Scott or Cactus Jack, but I'm leaning more towards to Cactus Jack, but I have a wild guess that it's both Travis Scott and Cactus Jack in one logo. But anyway, moving at this side, you have this Cactus Jack logo, the smiley face, and on this side you will see like a window where it's written Cactus Jack Records. So this is actually the company of Travis Scott. So this is written in Russian. Moving on this side, you have the Nike branding over there, the details of the sneakers, and this hole where you can pull so that you could get through the sneakers. So let's check them out. Before we get to the sneakers, let me just show you the quality of the material that they have for the tissue paper of this Travis Scott Air Force One. So this is actually like wax type. I mean, it's almost similar to the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1, but this one is in yellow, and instead of the Jordan brand Cactus Jack branding, it has the Cactus Jack Records written all over. Actually, it has two tissue papers. You have one in yellow and then the one in white. So now let's check out the sneakers. Bam! I mean, look at it, guys. Isn't it really amazing? Come on. I mean, I must admit that I'm not really a fan of Air Force One, but the releases that they've been doing lately for the Air Force One really caught my attention, and I think I might start to be a fan of the Air Force One. I also would like to get the Air Force One collaboration with cloth, and then there's another one that I like. Of course, the Air Force One cloth and fragments collaboration. And then the other one that I want is probably the black skeleton. I like that because it has glow-in-the-dark materials on the outsole. But anyway, going back to these sneakers, so let me get the other one. So guys, I'm just gonna show this to you, but I will do a separate video about the review of these sneakers and the details of the materials on it. But anyway, first off, I just can see tons of materials that was used on the sneakers. I mean, you have leather, you have suede, you have corduroy. Let's count the materials that they use. Okay, so we have one over here, the suede, one. The toe box here, we have the leather, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, And then inside, on the lace holders, 18, 19, and then the opposite side, 20, 21. Guys, there's 21 types of fabrics that's on these sneakers. I haven't even started counting on the other one. But anyway, there's a lot of materials that they use on these, and what actually caught my attention is this mint color stitching on the midsole, which I'll be elaborating further during my review for these sneakers. So, well, this is it. This is the Travis Scott Air Force One, and I would like to give a shout out to Commonwealth for doing a very successful raffle. Words cannot explain how happy I am to finally get a pair of hype sneakers on retail. So that's about it, guys. For those who wished me to be lucky and win this pair, thank you so much to all of you. You know who you are. And for those who didn't get it, better luck next time. I hope next time they release another hype sneakers, you could get your own pair. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.